Ajibona de from him Rafael Amponsantini Franco who bejawu Pia so de bana ko de bana ko ma Peter Midwakwa watching Peter Midwakwa cannot from referee for a penalty. Regina calling some watch penalty Diama Kumase Asante Kotoko Peter Midwakwa watching back right here boxing him was actually in a canato from Emma Center referee at the penalty at the Asante Kotoko.
He's been very, very crucial in Asante Kotoko attack Biomaye in the first half, Peter Midwakwa. And 3 occasions, and only 1v1 situation, or making sure say BT initially Befi could have found him outside, but found in the 80-yard box. Yes, he was all over him. And obviously, when you are playing against players that kind of tricky attributes now, it creates a lot of problems. Penalty from Reginald Collins someone. I think Sir Peter Midwakwa rightly Odizevi.
Marafun those who want to jump on that Edema Asante Kotoko against Benjamin Asari.
He wants to go by all standards. He needs a goal just to kickstart and open the account Asante Kotoko. But it looks very, very difficult at this stage. So we are Morofin Donzo went to Nyansha. You kill your confidence in this game.
Morofin Donzo against Benjamin Asari. Morofin Donzo Bakumianu. Wabobono go. Morofin Donzo actually go to Ghana Premier League in Asante Kotoko.
Very well taken penalty from Morofin Donzo. Positioning NBBR, he picked it right. Benasari, and you bet me be also close to that angle, but we're around 22 position. He's known so a left footer, but you see the right foot. So those players from here never fitted now. When it is a penalty, it is very difficult. Say Obetini, actually said your Mbepono and Morofin Donzo, FPK, the far left corner, and we play ball to Tottenham 1-0 Asante Kotoko. Rightly, they deserve the lead in the first half.
Asante Kotoko, Ashebako, Heart of Okentini, enter Sima Adriana Numinaso, you're trying here. Fourth official Ibrahim Ayaba or the Betoso. Now I can't say Freddy Karina Bepanaway. Hands of Kenshedi Asante Kotoko Shabako, referee. Calling someone say offside. Yanfantuo na Yemuntia Asante Kotoko. Shakobasa Kensi Asante Kotoko, Ejin Kunima.